came right next to me in the car.
Okay.
I looked down.
Right.
And guess who it was?
Who?
Angelina Jolie. Yeah. So I looked into the window and I said, "Arey, Anju, tum yahan?"
अंजू?
Yeah, मैं उसको अंजू बुलाता हूँ प्यार से.
Oh, that's cute. That's very cute.
बोली मुझको बोली, आ जाओ. मैं कह नहीं चले जाऊंगा नहीं पास. नहीं, तुम्हें अंदर आना पड़ेगा.
जबरदस्ती किया उसने.
हाँ, जबरदस्ती किया.
नहीं, एक मिनट. वो तुमसे हिंदी में बात कर रही थी?
हाँ, अंजू मुझसे हिंदी में ही बात करती है. हमारा प्यार बहुत गहरा है. हर भाषा में. और
गाड़ी में क्या हुआ?
गाड़ी के अंदर बैठ गया मैं. अभी मेरा तो कोई ऐसा दिलचस्पी है नहीं. You know, I'm a decent kind of guy. But we are driving और ऐसा उसने seductively मुझको बोला, you know what, शाहरुख, मैं तुम्हें वो जगह दिखाना चाहती हूँ जहाँ पे मुझे टेटनस का इंजेक्शन लगा था.
क्या?
हाँ. फिर ऐसा बोली मुझको. I kind of, you know, not an easy kind of guy. I'm like, all right. उसने मुझे बोला, मैंने ये जगह ब्रैड को भी नहीं दिखाई है.
ब्रैड पिट?
हाँ, वही पिटा. तो मैंने कहा कि नहीं मुझे निशी से नहीं, तुम्हें देखना पड़ेगा.
फिर
अब मरता क्या ना करता. तो मैं जा रहा था, गाड़ी आराम से चलाती रही.
राइट.
साइड में जाके उसने गाड़ी रोकी. थोड़ा सा आगे झुकी. मैं देखता रहा कि वो जगह कौन सी है जहाँ पे टिटनेस का इंजेक्शन लगा है.
राइट.
शीशा नीचे किया.
राइट.
ऐसा सामने उंगली दिखाकर बोला, देखो यहाँ किया था सिटी हॉस्पिटल.
What a shitty hospital.
But I didn't get disappointed. It happens to me quite often. You still need to keep the whole thing off key. I'm cool with girls. You don't get disappointed. If you want me to show you where I got the tetanus injection, I can show it to you.
No.
नहीं, you can't.
That's okay.
It's a family show.
It's a family show.
तो ये सारी चीजें नहीं देख सकते हम लोग.
I know.
Anyone wants to see where he took his tetanus shot? It's a family show. No, it's a family. I'm really sorry. It's a family show.
Actually, backstage we are selling passes for that later on. We'll ask you about it. But let me tell you, a family show से याद आया कि to be a good anchor,
Right.
you got to do lot of good family films.
Family
Family
films.
films.
अरे मैंने कितनी family films की है. I love family films. अलादीन, जाने कहाँ से आई है देताली.
Especially Aladdin.
Yeah, family films.
रितेश, तुम फैमिली फिल्म का मतलब गलत समझ रहे हो. फैमिली फिल्म का ये मतलब नहीं कि सिर्फ तुम्हारी फैमिली ने वो फिल्में देखी हैं. फैमिली फिल्म का होता है फील गुड, नाइस फिल्म्स, नॉट जस्ट द 5 members or 4 members in your family.
तुम्हारे फैमिली में कितने लोग हैं?
5.
5, उसमें से 3 तेरे कजिन बीच में ही निकल गए थे.
Really funny. Hey, don't laugh so loud. You know what? I'll tell you something else. To be a good anchor, you got to have a fit body, well toned,
Right.
toned.
Isn't my body a well-toned body?
सांस रोक के रखो. मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ, तुम्हारी बॉडी यहाँ तक वेल है, उसके बाद यहाँ पे तोंद है. You know, I was coming back from I was getting out of the hotel and these guys came and said to me कि weighing machine पर गए बॉमन सुबह. So 300 kgs के बाद weighing machine पे भी लिखा आ गया to be continued.
हाँ, वो 2 बार घूमती है. To be continued. Part 2, Part 3 ऐसे sequel होते रहते हैं.
So you guys understand
We're
some of
getting
the
it.
tips? You're getting
We're
it?
getting
it.
Okay.
Yeah, we're getting it.
The other tip I'd like to give you is कि जब भी जैसे आज तुम म्यूजिक अवार्ड्स करने वाले हो, राइट? अभी म्यूजिक अवार्ड्स का वक्त है, तो हम करते हैं, बोर नहीं करेंगे लोगों को. लेकिन कोई टिडबिट्स बताने पड़ते हैं, कोई ऐसी इंटरेस्टिंग बात बतानी पड़ती है ऑडियंस को जिससे वो अट्रैक्ट हो और उसके बाद वो अवार्ड सेरेमनी होनी चाहिए, उसके बारे में बताना चाहिए.
Fantastic.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तुम्हें मालूम है कि पम्मी का
पम्मी कौन?
पैमेला एंडरसन ली.
पम्मी.
I call her Pammi. Angelina Jolie's Anju.
Oh, sorry.
Pamela is Pammi.
Yeah, okay, fine, we got it.
Okay.
Okay, sir. You know her favorite Hindi song. उसको हिंदी गाने अच्छे लगते हैं.
Really?
हाँ. अरे
तुम्हें मालूम है?
Of course, we know, of course, we know favorite Hindi song.
Pamela Anderson Lee का favorite Hindi song.
Go on, tell me.
बड़े
अच्छे लगते हैं. क्या?
बदतमीज. ऐसी हमाकत मत करो. क्या बकार की बातें कर रहे हो तुम? ये नहीं है उसका फेवरेट गाना. उसका फेवरेट गाना एक बड़ा रोमांटिक गाना है.
हाँ.
मुझसे शायद गाया ना जाए, मुझे गाना नहीं आता, लेकिन ऐसा है कि किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द हो सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार,
सीना इसी का नाम है.
So before we are censored and removed from this wonderful city of Toronto where all these wonderful people have collected, gathered and been so nice to us, I think I will take the onus upon myself to make sure that we move on
Right.
to the musical awards that are to follow. So
Right.
can we go on to the podium and do the needful? Because I want to tell this side.
Let's go.
Yeah, so I want to tell both of you that the only way that you can continue to be anchors with IFA is if you remain cheap. Don't increase your price.
Okay.
So
As
what
a
you're
matter of
trying to
fact-
say कि हमें अब तो 11,000 मिल रहे हैं. तो next year can we push it to 12,000 at least?
नहीं नहीं बेटा, अभी 11 मिल रहे हैं, अगले साल 10 बोलना, 9 बोलना, 8 बोलना, और हो सके तो इन लोगों को पैसा देना कि अगले साल तुमको बुलाएं. Otherwise बुलाएंगे नहीं तुमको. All right? Ladies and gentlemen, we are to now present to you the music awards. The first one is
And
May we now have Mr. Nihal Modi from Gitanjali Group
Oh.
and our very own Arshad Warshi on stage to please give away the Floriana IFA Award for Playback Singer Female. Welcome on stage.
This is the right. This is exactly the moment when you yell. That is so sweet.
Welcome, Toronto!
Okay, we are here to announce from the singer category, Best Playback Singer Female. Could we have the nominees, please?
The nominations for Floriana IFA Awards for Playback Singer Female are Sunidhi Chauhan, Evai Evai, Band Baja Barat, Mamta Sharma, Munni Badna, Dabang, Shreya Ghoshal, Bahara, I Hate Love Stories,
अब मुझे कोई
Rekha Bhardwaj, Ab Mujhe Koi, Ishqiyan, Sunidhi Chauhan, Sheila Ki Jawani, Deepmar Khan.
Okay, before we announce, just want to say this. God knows if I get a chance to come back on stage again. Thank you very much, Canada, for being so sweet to us. You all have really given us so much of love. Really, there's a lot of love, affection. I mean, thank you so much. I'm completely, I mean, I want to come back and live here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And three lovely men that I'm completely in love with. Okay, especially Baman. Okay, Baman, Shahrukh, Ritesh, love you guys. Thank you, you guys rock.
And finally, the winner is Mamta Sharma.
I love you all so much. Asha ji, I love you very much. Whole my life I loved you. Lalit sir, I love you so much. Arbaaz sir, wherever you are, I love you so very much. I'm shivering. Shahrukh sir, I love you so much. Ashraf loves you very much. I told you that. And Toronto, I love you all so much. Thank you so much. Can you sing one line with me? Okay. मुन्नी बदनाम हुई
Darling tere liye Thank you so much, the presenters, and congratulations. Also, I just want to tell you guys, because I've taken the onus upon myself to make sure these two goons do a better job that they're supposed to, because they're going to carry this evening through. One of the other things, Maman, I want to tell you
Yes.
is that you need to use the talent that you have and showcase it while anchoring. जो आपका talent है, उसको आप लोगों के सामने पेश करोगे, तो लोग आपको ज़्यादा पसंद करेंगे. Don't try to do things that you don't know well.
That's true, that's true.
Like acting, like trying to look good looking. You know, these are things don't even try, my friend, okay? Very few people know. Baman's an old friend, not age-wise, just my association with him is many years old. Really wonderful guy. Amazing in bed. Sorry, did I say, sorry. I'm sorry, but he's a wonderful guy. But one of his greatest talents is that he is one of the most fantastic closeted singers. Actually, he sings very well. He's done it a few times in public. And what I'd like you to do, क्योंकि अब जो हम award देने वाले हैं playback male, best playback male singer के लिए है, तो मैं चाहूँगा कि तुम एक गाना गाओ, रितेश उसका साथ दो.
हाँ, मैं दूंगा.
हाँ, करोगे पब्लिक को अच्छा लगेगा, तुम्हारी एंकरेज अच्छी लगेगी. ट्राई करो.
Let's go.
Guys, please, one second. Big round of applause for Baman. He really sings well.
Let's go.
One line, one line.
Okay.
भीगे होठ तेरे
Yo.
प्यासा दिल मेरा
लगे अब्र
लगे अब्र सा मुझे तन तेरा कभी मेरे साथ कोई रात गुजार तुझे उम्र तक मैं करूं प्यार. Okay, oh.
Not like this, not like this. Guys, don't do this, please. Like we said, a lot of families, wonderful people who still think actors are decent people, okay? So don't break that brum. So, not letting them carry on with this vulgar display of emotion that these two are doing, I'd like to announce now and would like to call on stage Nikhil Trivedi
And Mahi Gill, please give away the Floriana Haifa Award for playback singer male.
put your hands together for Nikhil and Mahi.
Hello, Toronto. Ritesh, Baman. And I share the stage with the Badshah of Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan. Not many people would know that he is the man who helped me put my first film together. I stand here today because of him. And I don't know if I'll get this opportunity again, but thank you, Shah Rukh. Thank you for everything.